Jana. Now, earlier you guys saw me doing a little bit of yoga, which is good for releasing some of the muscles and stretching like that. Well, now I'm hanging out with Dr. Dan O'Leary from Jax Natural Healing. We're going to talk about how you can stretch out your skeletal, is it skeletal system? Skeleton?
Skeleton, yeah.
I got a C in science. I know what's up. So, but for people that, so we're focused kind of on chiropractic, but for people that kind of, they might be a little nervous about chiropractic, having an adjustment. What is the benefit and what goes into the process? Why should they consider it?
Yeah, chiropractic is very safe and effective. And there's so many movable joints in the spine that they can easily get locked up. So chiropractic, all we're doing is simply unlocking the joints, and we do it in a very gentle manner.
I like that. So that's just a little bit of what you would see. We're going to adjust me right now. So I've had adjustments before. So what do we need to do
Let's
first?
lay on your back first. So a lot of people will get neck pain and lower back pain because their mid-back is locked up, their whole thoracic spine. So that's what we're going to adjust on you first. So this is easy. We're just going to cross your arms. You just got so much muscles, it's hard to get you.
Look who's talking.
So we're just going to roll you this way, and then we're just going to press down here.
Oh, felt it.
Good. And then one more here.
Oh, felt all that.
Very good.
Oh,
okay.
That was great.
Now, that'll help you breathe better, open up the chest. Now we're going to go to your neck, okay?
Yeah.
So this is, some people are afraid of this, but it's very safe. Promise I won't hurt you. It's just a little bend to the side and a little turn. Good. And then we're going to get the other side. Bend here. And
oh, nice.
Nice. That's very good. Okay. That was for the neck. We did the mid-back. Now we're going to go to the low back. So let's have you roll on your side. And we'll go here, and we're just going to pull this arm up here and here. And then I'm just going to drop my body down on you a little bit. Nice. Perfect.
I felt it.
Easy as that.
Oh, my gosh. That's all there is to it? Oh. Hey, y'all, I can do the wave and all of that.
Beautiful, yeah.
So, again, the benefits are releasing all of that excess tension. So you pair that with yoga, you're really going big.
I mean, a lot of people, they get postural tension that gives them neck and back pain. You get people that are in car accidents. You get different kind of traumas, and people don't want to use medications all the time. So this is a natural, safe, and effective way to help reduce that kind of pain in your neck and back.
And just really quick, so say you're one of those, or I'm one of those that like kind of pops my neck on my own. Yeah. It's probably better to come see you, right?
Yeah, a lot of times if you're able to pop your neck on your own, the joints are moving too much anyway. So we're going to actually adjust the joints that are not moving good, okay? And that's going to balance out the spine, and it's going to reduce your pain, and you're not going to feel like you need to crack your neck.
All right, if people want to connect with you to get a deeper insight or your own adjustment, where would they go find you online?
Our website is jacksonvillenaturalhealing.com.
And then, do you guys do other stuff? I mean, so we know yoga, chiropractic. What else do you guys have?
We do rehabilitation. We do red light therapy. We do functional medicine. We, of course, have the yoga studio, Zumba, basically anything you need to get better, healthy, naturally.
Zumba, what's up? I get my shake on. I got rhythm. All right, so thank you very much. I mean, I really do feel much better. Okay. It's going to be a great day for me. All right, so thank you, Dr. Dan. And we will be back with more River City Live right after this.